Hello Sicily lovers, welcome to Gival Factory. My name is Gigi and I'm manager of the ancient Sicilian factory. We are in Giarre on the slope of Mount Etna. This is our factory, it's a long tradition in jewelry in Sicily. Our factory represents the roots of the long family tradition. We create whole handmade jewelry with a long tradition, with love and the pure raw material from Sicily. I am happy to show you our workshop. Please follow me inside. Please, welcome. Ci troviamo nel cuore della nostra fabbrica, costruita alla fine dell'Ottocento da un mio antenato, il mio bisnonno, che ha voluto qui realizzare in questa zona di Giarre una fabbrica che producesse gioielli di alta qualità per l'antica nobiltà dell'epoca. Vedete alle mie spalle un quadro antico che rappresenta l'Etna, vista da Taormina, proprio esattamente alla fine del 1800. Nel corso delle varie vicende, delle varie guerre, prima e seconda guerra mondiale, ci siamo un po' trasformati come prodotto, ma sempre tenendo conto di un prodotto tipicamente siciliano, che tiene conto delle tradizioni siciliane, quindi delle linee, delle forme, dei design siciliani. La nostra missione è quella di produrre gioielli che abbiano un'anima, perché il gioiello non deve essere un semplice prodotto industriale come fanno oggi in molte parti del mondo. Il nostro prodotto è tipicamente siciliano perché deve rispecchiare l'anima della sicilianità, quindi avere quell'irruenza, quella grazia, quell'eleganza e soprattutto comunicare passione, perché ogni gioiello deve avere in sé non solo il valore intrinseco del gioiello stesso, delle pietre preziose, ma comunicare a chi lo indossa e chi lo guarda passione, amore e tradizione. Quindi i nostri gioielli hanno un'anima, come noi tutti. Io rappresento la quinta generazioni di gioiellieri che hanno trasmesso ai propri figli il grande amore per questo lavoro. Adesso, oltre la mia generazione, subentrerà la nuova generazione, i miei figli. Ecco qui Silvia che sta prendendo in mano l'azienda.
Hello Sicily lover, I'm Silvia, the manager's daughter of this craft, and welcome in Giarre.
Siamo stati i primi a realizzare col corallo alcuni simboli della nostra Sicilia, la Trinacria, la mappa della Sicilia con le isolette e tutta l'Italia. È un ricordo che chiunque lo possiede lo porta a vita e lo tramanda da generazione in generazioni perché la Sicilia resta nel cuore. E naturalmente non poteva mancare la nostra amata Etna. Quello che vedete il nero è proprio la lava dell'Etna, resa polverizzata. Well, now I introduce you my assistant Paola.
Welcome Sicily lovers! Are you curious to see how we make our jewelry? You can follow me to discover how our jewels are made. Here we are in our historical workshop. Here we produce jewelry in 18 carats gold and in sterling silver. But now I will show you how a jewel is done. Follow me. So here there are the stones that we use here in Gival. We use typical Sicilian stones like the amber that comes from Simeto River, which is the longest river that we have in Sicily, but we also use the coral from Mediterranean Sea. And as you can see here, we have got the red one and the pink one, that is called angel skin for its color. Here there is lava rock from Etna, and we have got the rough lava and the smooth lava, and with this we make gorgeous jewels. As you can see, this globe has different colors, and each color represents where the stones mainly come from. Here there are also the pearls that we use in our jewelry, and as you can see, we have got the colored ones and the white ones. Here we have got the Baroque pearls, and as you can see, each pearl is different in shape, color and size. This is the part of our historical workshop where we produce our jewelry in 18 carats gold. So a jewel starts from an idea. This idea becomes a prototype in a non-noble metal, like this one. This prototype is put into two rubber discs. They are pressed together, leaving the shape of the prototype inside. Then these two rubber discs are filled with liquid wax. This wax solidifies and becomes a prototype but in wax. Then all these single prototype in wax are put together in a sort of tree. We call like this because of its shape. So here there is my colleague and he is putting all the single prototype in wax in a sort of tree, like this one. This tree will be put into a cylinder. This cylinder will be filled with liquid plaster that solidifies and becomes a cube. Then this cube is put into this oven at 800 degrees, so the wax goes out from a hole, leaving the shape of the tree inside, and then the shape is filled with liquid gold or liquid sterling silver. At the end we have got a tree that before was like this one in wax, but it will be in 18 carats gold. All these pieces of this tree are cut, they are checked by our goldsmiths, and we set the stones that we want to use. And the last procedure is the cleaning procedure, that is very important to give the right brilliance to our jewel. So here there is one of our goldsmiths and she is checking the ring to do the cleaning procedure. She will use special brushes and a special paste, and it depends on the jewel, so it depends on the stones and also on the color of the gold. Later she will put the jewel into water with delicate soap and ultrasound to remove the paste left, and then she will use air to dry the jewel, and the jewel will be finally clean. So here our goldsmiths are working on our creation. She is working on a bracelet and my colleague is working on a 18 karat gold ring. My colleague here is using typical Sicilian stones like the coral from Mediterranean Sea and the volcanic rock from Mount Etna. And she is mixing these two stones that are typical of the Sicilian island because they represent our culture and they represent our roots. And she is making a bracelet also with the symbol of Sicily, which is the shape of the triangular island. I also want to say that each jewel is handmade. In 18 karat gold or in sterling silver, they are handmade by our goldsmiths. The typical stones that we use in Sicily are four, and they represent the four elements of earth. They are air, fire, water and earth. Air is represented by Mediterranean red coral because the legend says that in the fight between Perseo and Medusa, Perseo cuts Medusa's head and her blood spilled into the sea, giving the red coral to the red Mediterranean coral. We also have water, that is represented of course by pearls. We also have fire, that in Sicily is of course represented by stones from the volcanic rock. And also the earth. Earth is represented by precious stones because they are the most precious fruits that earth gives us. My colleague is mixing the air, so the Mediterranean red coral, but also the fire, so the volcanic rock from Mount Etna. Jewel supports sustainability because we mixed the artisan's art of goldsmiths traditions, but also we used the latest generation of technology that reduce the fumes that can cause pollution.
A questo punto non vediamo l'ora di poter realizzare un gioiello siciliano fatto con le nostre mani, la nostra passione, esclusivamente per voi, su vostra indicazione, e potervi far assaggiare, assaporare la tradizione siciliana e quello che viene dalla terra d'amore.
Un saluto dalla nostra Etna e speriamo che arrivi presto anche a casa vostra.